Doon yung kabuhangin, yung kabuhang. Okay. What can you say about the Ronaldo? I understand what you're saying. Oy, Maya Flor del Luna. Be, don't disturb her, eh?
Bakit kita na ulit dito?
Bubuang mo. Hey, what can you, ikaw na mag-interview, ah. What can you say about them?
Them?
Oh.
I think they're crazy.
Crazy?
Yes.
Very good answer. How about you? You. No comment? You comment. You comment.
Yeah.
Say something. Wang you? Okay. Wait,
Uy, di ako ikaw.
Kalibang. Ikaw. Uy, stop covering your face. Hunza?
Okay.
Okay? Okay ka ba siya? Oh, how about you?
I can say about...
Kulang ka rin sa kita ko. You speak English, I can't understand you. You speak English, I can't understand you. You said... Oh, I can't understand you. You speak English. You speak English. Don't speak vernacular. Hi, what can you say about it? Your...
Mabuka lang na to.
How much? Sige. Oh, you. What can you say about them?
Patay gutom.
Patay gutom. Nice answer. How about you?
No comment.
No comment? You comment.
Comment.
You comment. Oh, siya. Kalibang, oy. Oh, ikaw. Uy, Dung. Aday.
Dong, ay guys.
Oy, stop drinking. Yo, lasinggera. Gawa sa ilong na ron. Gawa sa ilong, oh. Uy. What can you say about them? Uy, what can you say about these crazy people here? What can I understand you? Ay, WTF. SOP, SST, ATM, kalibang, oy. Sabi ako ba? Sabi ako ba? Hey, you speak English. Can't understand you. What can you say about them?
By the way.
Sige.
By the way, mga.
Sige. Continue.
My name is...
I don't care of your name. I'm asking of your comment. Stop moving. Kasi, what ambutoy? Yo, you speak English slowly. I can't understand you. Hey, you. Guapo? I already know it.
Ako.
You. You, what can you say about them?
I was saying say.
Huh? Uy. You. What can you say?
Samok. Slimy.
Wow, nisty oh.
Ako din.
Ako, hoy, teka.
Galit mo siya po. Hi! Hi, Dad.
Hoy,
Mura ba lang yung bakit? Mura ba lang? Parang nang gay sila dati mo, tapos ilang mga naong bakit? Mura ba? Ang mga kayo dito?
May gwapa na. Nasama ko man.
hoy, wait a minute, I'm not just man, not you. You continue your talking about.
Me.
You continue what are you talking about? Hoy, kuton. You continue it. What can you say about them?
May natuloy, natuloy.
Oh, what else?
Nakoy katubag.
Wakay mo katubawin, chik. Sige, good night. Sleep tight, sweet dreams. All I can say about them, I'm the one taking their videos. Again. I can say about them, I am the one taking their videos. That's all, folks. Bye-bye. Good night.